Hello everyone, welcome back to MS Word tutorials. In the last tutorial we have seen about the different options that we will be working in this tutorials, like we have seen the ribbon tab, the home, insert, page layout and all these different tabs, and we understood what is ruler and what is document or page, and what is a scroll bar. That's these options, right? Now in this tutorial we will see, and I will show you how to use this font tab. Okay, so in this font, in this box, you can see the different options, like, and we will see like how to use these fonts when you enter some text into the document, and what is the purpose of using those fonts. Okay, you can see here, I have written some text, right? You can see the different country names like China, India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia and Japan. Any guess what, why I have written in this order with the country name? Yes, you're right. So I have written the country name according to the population wise. Higher the population is in the top place. As we all know, China is the first highest population in the world, then followed by India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan and so on, right? So this is how we divided the population in this. So maybe I may be wrong in somewhere, but so this is the line. Okay, so in this text what I'm going to do is just slightly I'm going to reduce this. Okay, I hope you can still see the text. Okay, now we are going to apply the font names. Okay, so understand. So how do we up this may not give you a complete idea of this. So what I can do is I can write some text here, right? I can give some text to it. So highest top 10 countries with high population in world. Okay, so you can see with this, you can see like top 10 countries with high population in the world, and this will be the list. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is I wanted to add the fonts to make it better view. Okay, to have a better outlook or to better view for this. So how can I do this? So first let me place a cursor on this and select this with the mouse, and you can change the font. For this I want to change the font, since this will act like a header. Okay, and then you can see the different fonts here. For headings, the MS Word itself suggests you so what kind of themes will be better if you add something. Here you can see Cambria heading will suit for this and the Calibri Gautami head or Gautami body. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me select this Cambria heading so that it will look good, and you can identify the differences here. And what is the font size it is here? So it shows as 11, but let's make it to 14 or 16. Okay, and okay, let me select this, or let me drag this, or let me make it to 100%. Okay, if I make it to 100%, this is the actual size of this. Okay, then I'm going to select this and I'm going to increase the font size to some 16. Okay, and then now since we are good with this, and here you can see another options. First we have selected a font, then we have selected the font size that we have to use. Then I'm going to do a bold, so that means it turned into a bold. Or if you want to use an italic, and you can also use an italic. If not, just if you double click or click once again, it will change it. Okay, if you click, you can see it turned into italic. If you don't want that, just click again, so it will be gone. And if you want to add an underline to this, so you can add an underline. See, now we have changed this to underline. First thing what we have did is Calibri. Okay, let me select this again. As you can see, Cambria headings is a font name that we have selected, and 16 is a font size, and bold, and then we have underlined this text. Okay, so this is how we created some heading. Okay, now it clearly shows the differences, and you can clearly understand, okay, the China, India, United States, Indonesia, and so on are the top countries, top 10 countries with high populations in the entire world. Okay, now let's select this and do select the font, other fonts. Okay, and let me select it as Arial, or if you want you can select any other fonts as well. Okay, let me select the Arial. Okay, you can see I have selected the font as Arial, and I wanted these to be as italic. Or if you want to size, if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. It's always better to have 4 size differences. Okay, why? Because my heading was 16 and my sub list will be 12 bytes, so it will give you some get better picture or better view. Okay, so with this we have added the font as Arial to this, and then font size is 12, and I wanted to uh, make it as italic. So whatever you select, only that particular text will be turned into italic. If you want to select everything, then you select everything, entire text, and make it as italics. You can see. If you want me to zoom it, so you can see now the differences, right? So the heading is turned into Cambria headings, and the font 16 bold, underline, and the list, if you see, it is being selected as Arial, 12 font, and italic, and you can see everything is turned into italic. I'm making it to 100%. Okay, so this is how you write a text. Okay, and you're using font. Okay, suppose you wanted to make a correction to this something, you have made some typo, there is a mistake, or obviously you will to edit I mean correct it, or if you want to show a cross line. Suppose I wanted to I don't want Russia to be shown. Okay, what you can do is just cross mark. Why by mistakes you have added Russia in the ninth place? If it's that's the not case, and if you are unaware of this, if you don't want to display it, just you can simply use this strike through. So it will means it will, you can strike the text if you want to strike it, and in the same way if you want to unstrike it, just click on this. Okay, sometimes we make some mistakes while writing a document, so if you want to strike that, what happens is normally we create some document and we share it to someone, right, for review, and what they will be doing is once they while they review, they will mark it, they will strike this, and they will say this is not needed, whatever the strike portion is there, just remove it. So based on that he will be correcting it. Okay, so that is how we use and strike. Then next is you can see the subscript and the superscript. Okay, so this will be used when we use a characters or the numbers. First of all, China is in first place, right? Okay, see, and if I type 1 st, okay, if I want this, okay, you can see you can add as a superscript. If you want it as a subscript, you can make it as subscript. So this is first, and in the same way if you want to add it as second, so I can make it select this and make it this, and then third. Okay, just select this and make it as uppercase, then fourth. Okay, fourth, fourth. Okay, then fifth, and okay, just I wanted to stop here. So in this way you can just give use a superscript and subscript, and you have another option here, change case. If you want to change it to uppercase or lowercase, then you can change it. Suppose since everything is in lowercase here, this you can click on this and you can make it as uppercase, so it will be turned into uppercase. Since in the India also I'll select it as uppercase, you can change it to uppercase, and you want to change it to uppercase, you can select it as uppercase. Then if you select this uppercase, and Brazil you want to and you can also see other option like sentence case, and you can also see other options like capitalize each toggle case, so you can see the toggle, and you can see the lowercase, and you can see the toggle case. Okay, in this way we can update, we can use the lowercase uppercase options, that is called as a change case. Okay, and other options is what we have is this is used for grow font. I mean, if you want to grow your font, then you can just increase it, so and it will increase, so 28 place by 8 size. If you want to decrease the font, you can just simply decrease your font. What was the font we coded? 12, right? Okay. In the same way, this is used for clear formatting. So what are the formatting you have added, so that you want to clear it, then you can clear it. Suppose I selected this and it came to the original. Okay, then if you click on, then again I need to select with Arial and then with 12. Okay, so within this way we can use all these different options. And the final option that is left is the paint or color. If you place your cursor here, text highlight color, and text, this is for something for font color. Okay, if you want to highlight any text, since China is the top highest population in the world, right? Just I wanted to highlight this with some red. Okay, you can highlight this. Then the second highest population is India, then I wanted to highlight this with some green. Okay, you can highlight it. And the third population is in India, then you want to populate with some green. Sorry, United States, so you can populate with the green. Okay, in this way. And the same thing I wanted to do for Indonesia as well. I'm applying some different color, and for Brazil I can apply this for this color. And if you want to change the text for Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, and Japan, you can change the color, some green, blue, red, blue, or yellow, and can make it as red. Okay, and in the same way you can use the different text for Nigeria, and you can text. And if you want to use a different text for Bangladesh, you can use it as green. And Russia, I wanted to make this as blue. And if you want more colors, you can also do a custom colors. Okay, and let me make it as blue. Okay, and the Japan is the top 10 country, make it as pop. Okay, sorry, make it as something green. Okay, okay, purple. Okay, okay, pink. So this is how we use a font tab. And just wanted to recap. So what are the different options that we have tried? We have selected the font size, up, increase the font size, decrease the font size, clear formatting. We have selected bold, italic, underline, strike, subscript, superscript, and we have chosen the change case, that is to format uppercase, lowercase, and then we have changed the font color, and then we have changed the font name. I mean, we have selected this text, and also we have updated the font name. Okay, I hope this video was helpful on learning how to apply a fonts in MS Word. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more updates, so that everything what the new video that I will be uploading, so you'll be getting an alerts into your inbox. Thank you.